Let's look at this question now. If x is given as 216 raised to the power 4 plus 2 root 5, then which of the following equals 36? Okay, so we are given that x is 216 raised to the power 4 plus 2 root 5, right? And can you see this is a cube of 6, and I need the value of 6 square. So let's just reduce this value to 6, right? So I can write it as x is equal to 6 cube. Cube means 3 times of 4 plus 2 times root 5, which I can write it as x would be equal to 6 raised to the power 12 plus 6 root 5, right? Now, now, now I can take or I can multiply these powers, right? I can do same operation on both the sides. I am multiplying this power with a 12 plus 6 root 5 because I need the value of 6 alone. So I need to get rid of this power. That is why I have taken or I have raised this term to this power, right? So x will also be raised to this power. That is 1 upon 12 plus 6 root 5, right? So I get the value of 6 as x 1 upon 12 plus 6 raised to the power 5. And now because you need the value of 36, you need to square it. If I square it, I get 36 and x raised to the power 2 upon 12 plus 6 root 5. Now 2 can cancel out these values. I can take 6 common. So I'm left with x raised to the power 2 upon, if I take 6 common, I'm left with 12 plus 12. Oh, sorry. If I take 6 common, it is no longer 12. If I take 6 common, I'm left with 2 and root 5, right? 2 can cancel it 3 times. So it become 2 cube, x cube, or sorry, 1 by 3 actually. And I have 1 upon, right? So I have 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5, correct? And I can rationalize this to get the value as root 5 minus 2. It would be root 5 minus 2, and I can multiply it with root 5 minus 2, so that I get a square minus b square. So I'm finally left with x raised to the power 1 by 3 into root 5 minus 2 upon 1, right? So this 1 by 3 would be the cube root. And if I say this is root 5 minus 2, I can write it as x2, right? And there is a whole power of 1 by 3. So I'm left with cube root of x raised to the power root 5 upon x raised to the power 2. And that is the option C. So I think थोड़ा सा calculation ज़्यादा हो गया, but the idea is that first you need to find the value of 6 from here, right? Or if you are smart enough, then you can also go directly to 36 from here, right? You can go directly because this is 3. Because this is 3 and you need this power to be 2. You need to multiply this power with 2 by 3. So let's raise this power to 2 by 3, right? So you can directly jump to 36, and just you need to manipulate these numbers in powers of x to get the right choice.